play the sus4 there. Instead of go to the violin, play the sus4. Why should I feel when I'm by you? Go to the sus4. Everlasting love. Why should I feel for me? Say they don't know what you do to me. They don't know. Sus4, what you mean to me. Okay, guys, welcome back to another lesson of today. So for today, I want to show you how to hold your sus2 and sus4, the sus2 chord and your sus4 chord. That's going to sound better when you're progressing any particular song. Okay, that you're about to go to your sus2 and sus4. Now, before we proceed, if you know that this is the first time you're watching me, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button. Okay, if you're watching me on Facebook, click the follow button. Okay. Drop a comment on the comment section. You can share so that others can benefit from the video. Okay, alright guys, so without wasting much of the time, I want us to go straight to the video, and I'm going to do this lesson in the key of C. This is the key of C. And the key of C. Okay, so I want you to watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part of this video so you don't miss that one I'm going to show you. What I'm going to show you here is going to benefit you because most people have been complaining, okay, on how to know their sus chord, because one of the major chord that is more harmonizing and nice when playing your worship song is the sus chord, okay? Then you play a sus4. So this is your root. So you hold your do chord here. So do, mi. Okay. So do, mi. Okay. So let me bring this close now so you can see my fingers. Do, so do, mi. Okay. That is your major do chord. And your sus chord is when you want to play your sus chord is your sus2 chord is a re. So you pick out you silent the mi to the re. So you hold it like this. Bar your first finger here, then your middle finger goes in the saw there, while your ring finger goes under the saw, which is the do there. Okay. Then you buy it like this, or you can use the ring finger on the saw while your pinky goes under the saw there, which is the do. Okay. So you start from the saw here. Sorry, you start from the do here. Okay. Okay, that is your sus2 chord. So this is your sus4 chord now, still on that place. So your sus4 there is you hold your do, you still bar on this shape now. Okay. While your ring finger goes on the do, okay, your pinky goes on the va. Okay, why is this sus4? Is because you silent the mi to the va. Okay. You silent the mi to the va. Play your do, do, fa, sol, do, fa. So you silent. Okay, you play. Okay. So that is the sus4 chord. it when you're improvising on the worship song. So the sus4 can go when you're going to your VAR. Instead of going to your VAR like this, you can play here. Okay, so that is it. Okay. You are the reason I live. You are the one for me. You are the one for me. You are the reason I live. You are the one for me. You are the one for me. Okay, you see I play the sus4 there. Instead of going to the violin, play the sus4. Why should I feel when I'm by your room? Go to the sus4. Everlasting love. Why should I feel what say? They don't know what you mean to me. They don't know. sus4. What you mean to me. Okay, so wherever you don't understand, hit me on the comment section. I'll give you a reply as soon as possible. Okay, all right guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.